Dear students, our next topic is XS3 code subtraction using tens complement. In this method, you have to understand the 4 steps, that is, take tens complement for the XS3 code of subtrahend. That is, first of all, take the XS3 code subtrahend, then take the tens complement of it, then add it to the XS3 code of the minuend. If a carry is generated, follow up the carry to the next bit and that bit are errors. Add 3 for the error bit and subtract 3 from the rest of the bit. 3 for the rest of the bits. The first problem is 842.25 minus 634.21. In this case, first of all, take the XS3 code for the 634.21. Here is the XS3 code for the 634.21. That is, here is 9, here is 6, here is 7, here is 5, and here is 4. In order to take the tens complement, first of all we have to take the nines complement. That is, to take the nines complement from the XS3 code, just inverting in, that is 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and so on. Then add 1 to its number in order to get the tens complement. Here is the tens complement of 634.21. Here is the tens complement of 634.21. Then add it to the minuend. That is, XS3 code for the minuend is, here is the XS3 code for the minuend, and here is the tens complement, XS3 code tens complement of subtrahend. Then just add to this number. In the answer, we can see that a carry bit is generated. Then just discard this last carry, and this carry is added to this group, and this carry is added to this group. And again a carry, in the next step, again a carry is generated, and this carry is added to next group. So the last step, the carry generated bit had 0, 0, 1, 1, and all other bit we have to subtract 0, 0, 1, 1. The final answer is 5311.37. In order to cross check the result, you just subtract, that is 842.25 minus 634.21. The answer is 208.04. The corresponding XS3 code is, the 2 is 5. That is, here the 5, the XS3 code of 2 is 5, and 0 is 3, 8 is 11, again 0 to 3, and 4 to 7. Here is the answer. The next problem is, subtract 235.25 from 111.62. That is, subtract a smaller number to a larger number. Here is some more steps is required. First of all, take the XS3 code of 235.25. Here is the XS3 code of 235.25. Then take the nines complement. The nines complement, that is 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to 0. Then take the tens complement by adding 1 to it. Here is the tens complement. Then the XS3 code of 111.62. Then add these tens complement with, then add these numbers. That is, so in the final answer we can see that a carry is generated. This carry is added to the next group. A carry is generated, is added to the next bit. Then the carry generated bit add 0, 0, 1, 1, and all other bit we have to minus 0, 0, 1, 1. That is 3. And the answer, it is again is in the nines. Again it is, we have to take the tens complement. That is, here is the answer. It is in the tens complement form. In order to get the correct result, we again take the tens complement of this result. In order to take the tens complement, first of all, we have to take the nines complement. That is 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, and so on. Then the tens complement, just add 1 to it. Here is the tens complement result. To cross check the result, 235.25 minus 111.62. Here is the 456.96. And here is the answer.